John, how can you, are you going to prove here that you lost $4,500 of investment?
I can only have a witness who was that the people were going to invest in me, told them that they heard things about me and they would no longer be
Come on now, please, what's your name?
Winston Lucas.
Mr. Lucas, what was it you heard?
Yes, there were individuals that were very interested in this product and essentially that it was all about. They were at one time ready to lay down, some investment money to back, back the marketing, to get the product out there a lot further than where it was, and they backed out, quite suddenly.
Because of what?
Because of, I'm not really sure. I have no horse's mouth.